I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, cadets. Let's have a well-intentioned Wednesday. Mirceles intencionado. Have a great day.
Good morning, Frederick High School. It's Mrs. Green, and we're here today with today's daily trivia question. Today's question: what state was Joe Biden born in? Was it Delaware, Pennsylvania, New York, or Rhode Island? As always, drop your answer in the box below and we will let you know the answer tomorrow.